Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best generators for RV you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best generators for RV in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Westinghouse iGen 4500 generator. This is an RV-ready generator built to handle sensitive electronics and accommodate any type of camper. When it comes to large generators that can power every electronics in your camper, the Westinghouse iGen 4500 is our top choice. Westinghouse generators have a variety of outlets and are very fuel efficient. The wheel and extendable handle make it extremely portable. Features a dependable push-button electric start system that makes starting and stopping the generator a breeze. The engine's choke operates automatically, making starting as simple as the single push of a button. A remote start key fob allows you to start and stop your generator from distances up to 260 feet away. The generator can also be started using a traditional recoil start, providing additional starting dependability. An intuitive and convenient LED data center displays fuel level and remaining runtime, power output, voltage output, and lifetime run hours. Parallel ports allow you to pair the iGen 4500 with a compatible Westinghouse inverter generator to combine power outputs with use of a 30A or 50A Westinghouse parallel cord. For details, let's watch more. Our second best generator for RV is Champion Dual Fuel Portable RV Generator. This portable RV generator runs with 3,500 output wattage. This is a popular choice for those just hitting the road for shorter trips due to its cost and propane capability. Champion's powerful 3,500 watt generator features dual fuel, allowing the 208cc engine to run on either gasoline or propane. Featuring IntelliGauge, VoltGuard, and cold start technology, it provides up to 14 hours of runtime on gasoline or 10.5 hours on propane. Keep track of voltage, hertz and runtime hours to easily monitor power output and track maintenance intervals. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is WEN 56200i generator. The WEN 2000 watt generator produces clean energy free of voltage spikes and drops without making all of the noise of a regular generator. This WEN is great for campgrounds, construction sites, tailgates and power outages. Produces clean power to safely operate and prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as phones, tablets, televisions and computers. This generator includes two 3-prong 120 volts receptacles, one 12 volts DC receptacle and one 5 volts USB ports. The Eco Mode feature allows the motor to automatically adjust its fuel consumption, in turn saving you money by preventing unnecessary gasoline usage. Produces clean, reliable power and limits total harmonic distortion to under 0.3% at no load and under 1.2% at full load, making it safe enough to run laptops, cell phones, tablets and other vulnerable electronics. Number 4 in our side is Honda EB2200 Eton generator. The Honda 2200i portable RV generator is one of the most popular, and for good reason. You get more power at the same outstanding quality with this model. The Seal Minder function gives you peace of mind with continuously monitored carbon monoxide levels. This model is lightweight and compact as it weighs a little over 47 pounds. The EB2200i delivers 10% more power than the previous EB2000, enabling you to power more of what you need, in the same lightweight, compact package. The EB2200i can operate a wide variety of industrial tools, making it perfect for portable use on any job site. Take a look at the Applications tab for more examples. GXR 120 delivers exceptionally quiet, smooth, fuel-efficient performance in a small, lightweight package. Honda's GXR 120 also delivers superb durability and reliability. The EB2200i operates at 48 to 57 dB, which is less noise than a normal conversation. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best generators for RV list is WEN 56380, a generator. This generator is quiet, but it's also powerful with 3800 watts, a decent amount for camping. The WEN 3800 watt inverter generator produces clean energy free of voltage spikes and drops without making all of the noise of a regular generator. Generate up to 3800 surge watts and 3400 rated watts of power. Our 212cc 4-stroke air-cooled OHV engine operates at an extremely quiet 57 decibels at quarter load, about as quiet as a window air conditioner or the average conversation. The WEN 3800 watts inverter generator is also equipped with fuel shutoff. This feature turns off the flow of fuel, allowing the generator to use up the remaining fuel from the carburetor before automatically shutting down. Produces clean power to prevent damage to sensitive electronics such as smartphones, tablets and laptops. Fuel shutoff maximizes the generator's lifespan by using up the remaining fuel in the carburetor before shutting down.